Designed for stable operation in dusty and splash water environments, this is 822 Light Industrial Linear Actuator, IP54 protection rating, with low noise performance as well. Noise level less than or equal to 15 decibels at 30 cm and as low as 40 decibels at 1 meter. Load capacity available in 4 options. Stroke from 50 to 600 millimeters. No load speed from 5 to 16 millimeters per second. Operating temperature -15 to +45 degrees Celsius. Designed for stable operation year-round indoors. Equipped with a brushed DC motor with 12V and 24V dual voltage options. Front and rear mounting configurations are fully customizable. Trusted by over 50 listed companies and more than 2,000 customers. If you are evaluating the 822 actuator, feel free to comment below.